Hi, today we're going to talk about potential interfaces. Every electrical and electronics project designed to develop electronic gadgets that are frequently used in our day-to-day life uses microcontrollers. All of these with an appropriate interfacing device. Well, I mean that all the objects, gadgets we use, any technological gadget you're thinking in uses microcontrollers, and with them they use potential interfaces. Like this could be our computer with a keyboard or another thing. So there are different types of applications that are designed using microcontroller-based projects in maximum number of applications. The microcontroller is connected with some external device called as interfacing devices for performing some specific task. For example, here we found a very interesting project that is considered security system with a user terrible password project in which an interfacing device keypad is interfaced with microcontroller to enter the password. And that's it for me. My
Hello, Mr. I'm Sebastian. I'm going to explain the definition, and the definition of interfacing can be defined as transferring data between controllers and interfacing peripherals, such as sensor, keypads, microprocessors, analog to digital converters or ADC, LCD displays, motors, external memories, even with other microcontrollers, some other interfacing peripherals devices, and so on, or input devices and output devices. These devices that are interfering with 8051 microcontroller are used for performing special tasks or function are called as interfacing devices.
Analog to digital converter ADC. A to D converts in the electronic integrated circuit used for the converting the analog signals into a digital or binary form. Generally, analog digital converters take an input voltage from 0 to 10 volts, mean 5 volts to plus 5 volts, ATC, and theory converts this analog input to digital output. Most of the environment parameters such as temperature, sound, pressure, light, etc. are measurable in analog form only. If we consider a temperature monitoring system, they obtain, examining and handling temperature data from the temperature sensors is unable with the digital measuring system.
Interface device. An interface device generally must include some forms of outputs such as one display screen or audio signals, some forms of input like push buttons, a keyboard, or maybe a voice receiver. And talking about the applications, we can see in the personal computer, a desktop or a notebook, and handle it much smaller, still has a keyboard. In the palm there is a smaller, still can fit in some pockets. Handwriting is primarily input interface, or smartphones that is a digital cellular phone with little or no computing, accepts wireless markup language coded pages from web servers.